everyone. So this is the summary of the essay Self-Reliance by Ralph Waldo Emerson. So these are the important points. This essay was written in 1841 and published in Essays. Here Emerson emphasizes upon the importance of individuality and avoiding the conformity. The essay starts with an important Latin epigraph that is, do not seek outside yourself, borrowed from Beaumont and Fletcher's Honest Man's Fortune. The essay is divided in three major sections. First is self reliance and the individual, and the third is self reliance and the society. Self reliance. This section is about giving importance to individuality, belief in oneself rather than depending upon other people's ideas, preferring individual experiences over books, emphasis on personal intuition and creativity, having trust and self esteem, celebrating the freedom and the spontaneity of childhood. According to Emerson, children are not hypocrites and cynical. An idealized individual should not be bothered about his reputation based upon other people's perception. Believe that social conventions destroy people's creativity. Preferring to live a true and authentic life obscurely over displaying one's goodness in public. Being indifferent to either praise or criticism. One should learn to enjoy solitude. One should act independently, not caring about society's disapproval of one's actions. Avoiding being consistent that hinders one's growth. The use of phrase a foolish consistency is the hobgoblin of little minds. The account of the great thinkers of history who were inconsistent and outcast like Jesus Christ who faced controversy for their origin ideas but they got popularity later on. A person who believes in oneself becomes the great thinker and contributes to the society with his creativity. Self reliance and the individuals. This section is about realizing one's self worth. One should not feel inferior. People should not give more importance to material objects over themselves. Criticism of European monarchy system where royalty is glorified and a common individual is considered ordinary. All people deserve respect irrespective of their status. Believe in knowledge one receives through personal intuition rather than from the instructions given by others. The idea that the knowledge that we receive from the others is second hand knowledge. Intuition is directly linked with transcendentalism. A self reliant individual is someone who changes constantly and becomes a noble and virtuous person who despises the stagnant life of the society. He should avoid other people's suggestions and desires and their own sense of responsibility. He is somebody who is honest and truthful. Self reliance and the society. This section is about the idea that people should be ocean thinkers rather than being imitators and followers. Self reliant individuals are needed in the fields of religion, culture, and art. The belief that religion fears of creativity. Criticism of society that restricts people's freedom to act independently. Criticism of technology because of that people lose their natural wisdom. For example, by using watch, people have lost their ability of telling time by seeing sun's position in the sky. One should not think one has to be reliant upon property and fortune to lead a good life. People should be ready to take risks in life and they should try to find peace within. Peace cannot be achieved through external factors. And here this topic ends. Please subscribe if you liked this video. Thank you.